karapu Poitarawhiti hou mō Azarlia Hoeta-Kotara. He ahainga hau mō tēnei kaitākaro rangatahi.
I came from Kirere and I came to Kia Toa because I want to try a different team because Kirere is okay, but this is like, I don't know, hardcore.
A te hongongo I ka haere ngā tīma Poitarawhiti eru anō Aotearoa ki te Ahurei Poitarawhiti o te ao I ahi te reiria, no te karapu o Kia Toa nei tīma. Ko Hoeta-Kotara tērā e tākaro ana mō te kapa under 15s.
I started playing when I was like 6 and I started playing because I just wanted to play a heap of sports, so this is one of them.
Azarlia is good. She's quiet, but she has a lot of potential and I see that in her. We've only just started and a lot of girls are shy, but she's got really good defence on her. For the under 15s and under 18s, this is quite a big opportunity for them for exposure and as well as experience. So they're not only backing or supporting and representing Kia Toa as a team, it's really, if you think about it, it's more of Aotearoa. It's a pretty big deal. A lot of it is the Pacific Islands who are playing, so they're coming from Fiji, Samoa, and a lot of the teams in Australia.
I tērā tau I toa te tīma under 15s no te karapu Kia Toa. Ko eke tērā tīma ki te taumata under 18s, a kua uru atu he tīma hou I te taumata under 15s. Ko Jesse Tupai, te pōako e whakarite ana I te tīma nei mō te whakataetae.
This year we want to go over to the Aussie soil and defend our title. And not only that, and take our under 18 girls team as well and hopefully do well in that section and take that one out as well.
Well, we're like quiet and funny at the same time, so they're pretty vibey.
They're pretty new to each other. We haven't been together for that long, just a couple of months. Really just want to gel together. We want to kind of get that connection between the girls on and off the court. It's really important that when they play together, that on the outside, you want to keep that relationship between each player, and especially with the coaches and management as well.
He maha ngā whāinga Hoeta-Kotara I tēnei hā kinakina.
To represent New Zealand and my culture, make my family proud and do my best on the court.
Ka haere nei tīma ki te Gold Coast a te toru o Hongongoi, a ka tīmata ngā kēmu a te rima. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.